Such a beautiful braided bun. The only thing you need is a donut, because this is a hack. So bring the donut over a high ponytail, bring one fine strand under the donut and split it into 3 sections. Now start to braid a regular 3-strand braid. After 2 stitches, you start to add in hair from the top. So add hair from the top and bring then the left over the middle. Right over the middle, insert some more hair, left over the middle, and keep on doing this exactly the same way. So you do a regular 3-strand braid, and always when you bring the right strand, the inner strand, the one that is close to the donut, over the middle strand is where you incorporate some more hair. And this you do going around the donut, so 360 degrees around the bun maker, and then you braid the rest of the braid until the end and hide this end under the crown. And this is the final result. Leave me a comment down below what you think and if you are able to do this. Thank you.